some sun somewhere.
Yeah, so like this, you don't want to have them in sun the first 24 hours. So first they stack them there, you see they're not in the sun, and then they put it here for like more longer. And then they water them once a day for 21 days.
Really?
And you need to, yeah, once a day for 21 days. And that's, the engineering part is not my strongest part, but it's for the cement to set with the set.
You have 10%.
10% cement, yes.
So you watering here.
Yeah, so once a day they just, like you water flowers. Once a day they just water it. And then after 21 days.
Okay, so this is still the same.
So this is sand now and then soil. So they start with that and you mix it, dry mixing.
Dry mixing.
Yeah. And then once that's done, they add the cement and then they
add the cement
last.
inside or in the...
No, everything is done on the ground here first. And then they add a bit of water because it needs to be moist. And then they do a drop test, we show them, and if it cracks into roughly 4 pieces, it's a good moist level. And if it's too moist, it doesn't compress well. And if it's not moist enough, it doesn't compress at all. So generally now, check the sand content, which is not so high here, because they use the red mud, which is like the mud they don't use for anything else, or the soil they don't use for anything else. So I would think they use roughly maybe 5 parts of that, 4 parts or 3 parts cement, 3 bags cement. No, 3 bags sand, and maybe half a bag of gravel, and then 1 bag of cement. And they mix that first, so that's like 1 batch. So then it's easy to calculate the 10% cement. Because it's like 9 bags of something else, 1 bag of cement.
Now when they do the construction, you've got the hose here for the rebar.
Rebar, yeah, and we fill it up with cement.
Fill it up with cement, a mixture of cement and gravel.
Yeah, exactly.
And in a liquid form, you just pour it in.
Yeah. And actually for this brick, this is the Auroville one, and that machine is the Auroville one. And that requires a little bit of mortar in between the bricks.